Regimus Maximus back once again, and today we are checking out the Zeta Toys ZB-02 Kronos Airstrike. In other words, their version of Air Raid. Get ready.
Regimus Maximus reviews.
Okay, we're checking out the ZB-02 Kronos Airstrike. It's my first Zeta Toys review, so the box does look pretty nice. Take a look at the top. Kick-ass artwork. I love that. The side of it. Oh, okay. The box, I guess the boxes are going to form Superior. I think that's pretty cool. And right here we have side of the box. The bottom, nothing major. I think we already took a look at that. Like I said, that's going to be pretty cool. So, there we go. Now let's open him up. One note before I do open him up. I did order this one from Big Bad Toy Stores. I mean, I ain't getting nothing from it, but it took about 10 days to get in, so just in case you're wondering if you should order things from them, I mean, it took about 10 days, which really wasn't bad, so I recommend them. So, on with my review. Alright, so here we go. Now, I must admit, I mean, I was having problems trying to get in the box until I saw the little holes you can open up. But hey, I mean, the presentation to this thing, I mean, it's pretty awesome. I mean, he comes in this little, I ain't gonna say styrofoam. I mean, it's whatever this stuff is. A little protective case. It's better rubbery styrofoam. This card, I mean, it's made out of plastic. So, I mean, that's pretty good. I mean, that's pretty impressive. So, let me go ahead and get him out the box. Alright. I mean, I must say that I am pretty impressed with some of the detail within these. They look real good. Probably one of my complaints will be his hand does have a peg in it, so he can hold the gun. But I mean, I'm having problems keeping the gun in there. It's always wanting to fall out. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. The looks of it are amazing. So, take a look at the articulation. Legs. Let's go for the legs first, like I always do. So, there we go with the legs. Can't really get about as far as you can get. That kind of stops it up here. So, the arms. I mean, look at the hands. Detail on the hands, I mean, it's pretty awesome. You make him, there you go. Yes, rock on. So, the arms can go up, back. The wrist, no, not the wrist, but the waist. The head can go backwards and forwards. The ankles on the ball joint. So, it's really not that bad. Not bad at all. Now for comparison, as you can see, I got him against one of the Jimbao Bruticus figures. And I also got him against a JuJiang Fireflight right there, so you can see how much more taller it is, and actually how much more detailed it is too. So I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I mean, it does look pretty good. It looks really good, actually. Now, last month I was actually asked by one of our viewers, Blazing Mewtwo. He had asked which one is better. I mean, does he think that the JuJiang is a better representation of what will be considered an MP Aerialbots or with the Zeta. And at the time, I mean, I couldn't answer. So, I mean, but what I said is I'd get one of these and I'd check them out and see what I thought about it. And from just this figure against the other figure, I mean, I'd say Zeta. And it ain't about putting another one down, I mean, because I like the other one too. Don't get me wrong, I mean, but detail-wise, I mean, yeah. I think Zeta did an amazing job. I mean, the detail is just incredible. So, I'm going to choose Zeta, but I'm also going to do a comparison against the same figure from JuJiang versus the Air Raid from Zeta. So, alright. So right here we've included the Masterpiece Starscream. We've also included the JuJiang version of Air Raid. So we got the JuJiang version of Air Raid and the JuJiang version of Fireflight against the Zeta version of Air Raid. And if you take a look at it, I mean, you can actually see how much larger the Zeta version of Air Raid is compared to the JuJiang. So, I mean, like I said, I mean, the JuJiangs, I mean, they was a good attempt, I think. I mean, but as far as detail-wise and what I would consider an actual masterpiece style transformer for the Aerialbots, it would be this. I mean, I still haven't transformed it into the jet yet, so. But I want to put Starscream up against him, so that way you can actually see that this is basically masterpiece size. So, all right, now we got a better version, a better comparison as far as the size of the MP Starscream and the Zeta Air Raid. So, like I said, I mean, I think he is really MP size. So, yeah, I do got him leaning a little bit, but yeah, he's MP size, so it's not bad. All right, let's go ahead and let's transform him. Okay, so now we're going to transform him. All right. One of the first things we want to do is we're going to put his arms up and we're going to open these up. So these will open up. Fold those in there. Take this, fold it down like that. Just close it up. The same thing with this arm. Open this up, take that, this is on a hinge, just fold it back, and once again just close it up, inside, let's see, pretty good inside, gotta take the head, lift it forward, and we're going to take the sides, we're going to push these in, like a little hinge under there. Alright. Take his head in there, slide that back, take these, try to get the legs right. Right before you get these in here, there's a part under here that you got to push up. That's what I was missing. So there you go. On that part. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this around. We're going to take this part right here. We're going to open this up. Let's see. Like so. You open it up. And you take this. You bring it down. Then what you want to do is you're going to turn this around and you're going to open up this part under here. You open up this part right here and you take the landing gear out. Swing it around so you can see. the landing gear out. You swing it around like that. While it's still open, you're going to take this back in through here. You're going to push that landing gear down. So you're going to take the landing gear. You can push this back in through here. You're going to take this. You're going to connect this to the little pegs right here. So it'll be like that. Alright, so the next thing we do is we take this. Let's push that up there for right now. And we take these legs and we start trying to prepare them. We kind of take this and open this up. Alright, so you open this up, take this, swing it down, swing it down, and you bring this over. Make sure you peg these in here. See the pegs? So peg those in there. Swing that back up. Take these feet, push them in. Push them back there where they fold back there. Can be tricky sometimes. Alrighty. Fold these out. You gotta bring this part down right here. Tab these in like so. Take this. Let's bring it down through here. Make sure I did that before I did that. Do this before you connect, before you put these together. So it's going to work out a whole lot better like that. Now let's tab everything back in. Fold these wings out. Alright, so what we want to do next is we're going to take these and lift them up like that. This, lift it up to bring down the back landing gear. Like so. Bring these down like that. Take this, bring that in, and take these little parts right here for the rockets to go on. And you just push these in like that. And you put the rockets on. Okay, right there he is, completed. Underneath, you can see there's the guns. You can also put his other gun right here on the side. It'd be nice if they had like another one over here to kind of match it, but oh well. But there he is. You can see, like I said, I mean, it's a very nice representation of him. I mean, it looks amazing. I'll try to get him right here beside star screen, so you can see. I mean, so yeah, I will say that this is definitely a masterpiece representation of the Aerialbots, because the size is like right there. So I mean, look at that. Yeah, he's just as big as he is. I think Starscream might have him by maybe a half. Here he is right next to the JuJiang air raid, and you can see, let me get a top view, and you can see the difference right there. So I mean, right there is what you get. It's that much bigger, the details that much better, so it's not bad at all. Like I said, I mean, the Zeta is way more detailed, so there it is. I personally like both sets. I mean, but if I had to declare a winner, I mean, the Zeta is going to win over the JuJiang. I mean, I do like the JuJiang. I mean, but I like the Zeta a whole lot better. It's not about putting either one of them down, because I hate trying to compare things and trying to make one look better than another. I mean, but I'm a detail person, so I mean, I like that. So, and as far as a masterpiece quality set, I mean, I think that this is going to be incredible. I didn't transform him into the foot because I'm not for sure if I want to get this complete set or not. If you think I should, by all means, comment. Thank you to Blazing Mewtwo. He's the one that actually asked me the question that pretty much brought you this review right here. So, Blazing Mewtwo, big ups to you. Thank you. And once again, this is Regimus Maximus, and I am out. Add, like me, and subscribe, please. Thank you.